I would describe colonial mentality as a form of internalized depression, or really just even more broadly, this internalized feeling that anything that has to do with Filipino identity, culture, nationality, language is inferior to anything Western or Westernized.
Sa kanyang PhD research sa University of Victoria, siniasat ni Drexel Ortiz ang epekto ng colonial mentality sa mental health ng mga Pilipinong lumaki sa Canada. Sa pag-aaral sa nasabing issue, nakita niya raw na laganap pa rin ang epekto ng colonial mentality sa maraming pamilyang Filipino-Canadians, lalo sa mga kabataan.
Manifest in more unique ways. So I think with exposure and living in Canada, a lot of Filipino Canadian youth have had experiences of wishing they were white, or in nowadays, now that we see the rise of like Korean culture and other sort of nationalities entering this global sphere, some Filipino youth want to be Korean or Japanese, for example. But what we're noticing in the research is that they're not necessarily reporting that they want to be white. It's just that they don't want to be Filipino.
Aniya, resulta ang colonial mentality ng daan-daang taong pananakop sa Pilipinas na ang epekto'y naranasan habang lumalaki sa bansa. Nadadala raw ang mga ito ng mga Pilipino sa paglipat nila sa Canada at naipapasa sa kanilang mga anak, kung saan ang resulto'y maraming kabataan ang nakararamdam na di sila tunay na Pilipino o may kaibahan sila sa mga kararating pa lamang mula Pilipinas o di kaya'y ideyang mas maganda sa Canada. Gayunpaman, ang mga kabataang Pinoy sa bansa, ginagawa raw ang makakaya nila para labanan ang epekto ng colonial mentality sa pamamagitan ng pag-intindi sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas at pagiging matagumpay sa napiling karera nila sa Canada.
There's a lot of pride, there's a lot of culture, there's a lot of language that's being passed down through generations as a result of social media. So things like TikTok or Instagram.
Aniya, dapat din daw unawain ang mga Pilipinong laki na sa Canada na tila ikinahihiya ang kulturang Pilipino.
I think we should look at that with compassion and curiosity and think about, well, what is it that has made them only claim their Canadian identity, and find ways that we might connect them more to their Filipino identity as well.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.